Meet Zach Pilkey, a 2023 graduate and former personal trainer and collision repair technician, as he shares his personal journey and experience with the CAO. What did you study before the CAO?
Before entering the CAO, I studied collision repair technician. So I was a technician. From there, I became a personal trainer, and then I entered the CAO.
Why did you choose the CAO over other programs?
I chose the CAO because I actually visited the school and kind of communicating with the faculty, I got to hear about what the CAO was about, and it just seemed to really resonate with me. The mechanics backed by anatomy, so that we could have an actual cause behind what we're treating, and we're not chasing symptoms.
Were you able to work with the school schedule?
I was able to work. I was lucky I was able to make my own schedule as a personal trainer, but it was definitely manageable as long as you can build your hours kind of around the school. And the school makes it easy because of the way that it's structured as far as when you're coming into the school.
Was the course load manageable?
It was challenging, but it was manageable. You get out of it what you put in, and I put in work and then work at the school. So I was able to manage it. It was challenging, but definitely worth it. It was
How
challenging.
did the curriculum layer as you progressed through the program?
Yeah, it layered very strategically for me. The way that the information's introduced, they start with the base layer or your foundational layer, and then you add on top of that as you go through the program. So I felt like this was really good for me because I was able to retain the information that I learned at the beginning as we layered on top. So nothing was forgotten and nothing was not important. It just carried through, and then you were able to build upon it. So I felt like I was really comprehending material and not memorizing it. Yeah.
How would you describe your experience with the CAO faculty?
Learning from the CAO faculty was it's really you're learning from the people that are passionate about the profession that you're entering into, which was really reassuring. And because everybody was a graduate from the CAO, there was no gaps in information. So I never felt lost, and I never felt unguided by any of the faculty.
How has the CAO prepared you for professional practice?
Financially, I mean, coming from a hands-on career such as collision repair technician, I understand how important hands-on is for a career like this. So because there was so much of it and it was so encouraged to practice on healthy, well people, friends, and family, by the time I left, I felt very prepared as far as hands-on went. Financially,
How was your experience in the public clinic?
very interesting experience because of the way that the information is layered and the way that you're practicing. You're working on people that are healthy and well. And when you move into a charity clinic, everything that you had prepared for in the upcoming years or the past years really came alive when you're working in the charity clinic. And it was a privilege to be able to give back as well to the community and also practice what we had spent so many years learning. Very
When you graduated, did you feel ready to start practicing professionally?
more than ready. Again, it's what you put into it, you get out. But with the amount of hands-on that we had and the guidance that we had, I felt more than prepared. And it really showed when I did graduate and I was able to move on from the CAO.
How has your practice grown since graduation?
Exponentially. My practice has only moved uphill since graduation. I am working on a fully referral-based system, and I am always accepting new patients, and they are always coming in. So the practice has been amazing that way. Exponentially.
What was your favorite part of the program?
My favorite part of the program was coming in. every week and being with people that had the same common goal. Everybody seemed to be so passionate about osteopathy, and it was something that I could heavily relate to. But at the same time, everybody that comes into this school has such a different background. So it was a lot of fun, very interesting. But at the same time, we all came together to work on this common goal, and I had the most fun that I've ever had in school while learning something that I ended up loving and becoming very passionate about.
Would you recommend the CAO?
Considering studying at the CAO, be prepared to be pushed out of your comfort zone, but in the best way possible, because the more you're pushed out, the wider your comfort zone becomes. And I've noticed that the school changed my life even before I graduated because that trickled into the rest of my life. So all the teachings from the CAO, even though they're geared towards osteopathy, really helped me in the rest of my life.
Ready to begin your journey in osteopathy? Study at either our Hamilton or Calgary campus. Book your personal call today.